Hello, lovelies. Welcome to Yoga Bliss with Shelly, and I'm Shelly. Grab yourself a blanket or a pillow or something comfortable to sit on as we embark on the power of Om in our final practice for 11 practices for the beginner. So just get yourself something comfy. It could be a pillow, a blanket. Get your sit bones set up there. Get your legs in a crisscross, applesauce, situate, wiggle out your hands. You can rest your hands up, one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly. Find what feels good for you as we practice the mantra of Om. So breathe it in. Om. Om. And pause and allow yourself to feel that vibrational shift. Om is one of the most powerful words spoken. Exhale, palms kissing palms to your heart. Just feel what it feels like to practice the power of Om. Namaste, lovelies. I'm grateful for you. Thank you for showing up for you.